Hello there. Today we have Mr. Joseph Lewis, who is a 72-year-old male who collapsed in the hospital lobby. BLS was started in the lobby and he was rushed to the emergency department. So that is all the info we have, so let's get started. So as we get started, we can see that this patient does not appear to be in great shape. Our staff reports that he does not have normal breathing or a pulse and is unresponsive. At this point, we need to call a code blue. We will need to place a backboard and start CPR at a ratio of 30 chest compressions to 2 rescue breaths. As we begin resuscitation, we will need to place all of our vital sign monitors on and obtain IV access. Here we can note that this patient is in PEA, and we can look to the American Heart Association's algorithm for adult cardiac arrest. So we started with CPR, we gave oxygen, and now have a monitor defibrillator on. Since this is PEA, it is not a shockable rhythm. We will now go to step 10 and see that we need to get IV access, which we already have. We need to give epinephrine and consider obtaining an advanced airway. This needs to be done while CPR is active, and in 2 minutes we will reevaluate our progress. We will give 1 milligram of epinephrine, a 1 liter saline bolus, and start a saline bag at 75 milliliters per hour. Now we will attempt to secure an advanced airway and confirm placement by 5-point auscultation. In this case, we do have a correctly placed ET tube, and we will switch from a 30-to-2 ratio on compressions to breaths to continuous chest compressions and a rate of 10 breaths per minute. Now that the code team has arrived, we will collect labs consisting of a blood glucose, a troponin, venous blood, and arterial blood sample. The patient obtains ROSC, and we can feel a weak, irregular pulse of 60 beats per minute. Here we can see our vital signs. We will repeat a 12-lead ECG. We can see ST elevations in V2, V3, V4, V5, and V6 clearly. This patient is suffering from a heart attack. We will insert a Foley catheter. Prepare for targeted temperature management at 32 degrees Celsius. Due to our diagnosis of STEMI, we will also treat the patient with aspirin 300 milligrams rectally now and heparin IV. We added metoprolol tartrate 5 milligrams IV push to help reduce the oxygen demand on the heart and reduce damage to the heart at this point. At this point, we will need to transfer the patient to have a PCI. Here you can see that we have no flags for this case. If you would like to pause the video to review the case at any time, please feel free to do so at your convenience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider liking the video. Leave us feedback in the form of a comment if you have any questions, concerns, complaints, or compliments. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to see more footage like this. Till next time, stay safe.